in the blackened silence of the open ocean, where sunlight dissolves into ink and the world seems to hold its breath, a living ember drifts through the dark. It does not roar, it does not hunt with teeth or claws, and yet it is as alien as anything ever imagined. This is the bloody comb jelly, a creature so delicate it appears woven from glass, and so ancient it predates the rise of dinosaurs, forests, and even the first backboned fish. Its body is nearly invisible, a translucent lantern shaped by the patient hands of evolution. Along its length run 8 shimmering rows of cilia, microscopic oars beating in flawless coordination. They refract the faintest light into rippling rainbows, transforming motion into a living prism. Each pulse sends it forward without urgency, without wasted effort, as though the ocean itself is carrying a thought. But beneath that fragile elegance lies a predator older than time. The bloody comb jelly belongs to the phylum Ctenophora, a lineage that may represent one of the earliest branches of the animal family tree. Long before complex eyes surveyed the horizon or bones anchored muscle to earth, these gelatinous drifters were already mastering the currents. They hunt not with venomous stings like their distant cousins the jellyfish, but with sticky cells called colloblasts, microscopic lassos that ensnare plankton in an instant. In a realm where survival is measured in milliseconds, that subtle difference is everything. And then there is the red. In certain species, a deep crimson saturates the inner canals, a color that seems almost violent against the surrounding void. Yet in the ocean's depths, red is not a warning. It is camouflage. Red wavelengths vanish first as light descends, rendering the animal nearly invisible to predators below. What appears bold and bloody in our world becomes perfect concealment in theirs. It is a reminder that nature's palette is never arbitrary. It is strategy painted in flesh. To witness a comb jelly in motion is to watch physics and biology in harmony. There is no brain in the way we understand it, no centralized command center issuing orders. Instead, a diffuse nerve net orchestrates movement with quiet precision. The rows of cilia beat in waves, scattering light like shattered glass. And for a fleeting moment, the animal becomes a constellation untethered from the sky. Yet these creatures are not relics trapped in the past. They are architects of modern oceans. In vast blooms, comb jellies can reshape entire ecosystems, consuming zooplankton and altering food webs with silent efficiency. Their impact is a testament to how even the most fragile forms can command enormous power when conditions align. There is something humbling about them. No bones, no armor, no roar, just water held together by intention. They remind us that dominance in nature does not always belong to the loudest or the strongest. Sometimes it belongs to the oldest, the simplest, the most exquisitely adapted. In the end, the bloody comb jelly is more than a drifting curiosity. It is a living window into Earth's earliest experiments with animal life, a survivor of mass extinctions, a master of light in a world without fire. As it vanishes back into the dark, dissolving into the endless blue, it leaves behind a quiet truth. The ocean does not need spectacle to be extraordinary. Sometimes all it takes is a pulse of light in the abyss to reveal just how strange, how ancient, and how breathtaking life can be.